Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, and we're talking about one of the most powerful ones out there, wheatgrass. You know I'm all about simple, natural ways to boost your health, and wheatgrass is like a cheat code. We're going to break down why this stuff is so amazing, what it can do for you, and how to easily add it to your routine. So what exactly is wheatgrass? It's basically the young grass of the wheat plant, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think of it as a concentrated shot of all the good stuff your body craves. Stay tuned because we're about to unlock the incredible health benefits of this superfood powerhouse. First up, let's talk about why wheatgrass deserves a spot on the superfood podium. It's absolutely loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about vitamins A, C, E, K, and a whole bunch of B vitamins. These are like the essential workers of your body, keeping everything running smoothly. And don't even get me started on the minerals. Wheatgrass brings to the table iron for healthy blood, calcium for strong bones, magnesium to help you relax, and so much more. It's like a multivitamin from nature, but way tastier. Seriously, with this nutrient profile, it's no wonder wheatgrass is linked to so many health benefits. Now, you might be thinking, okay, vitamins and minerals, that's great, but what do they actually do for me? Well, hold on to your hats. These nutrients are the building blocks of a healthy body. They support everything from your energy levels to your immune system. Feeling sluggish? Wheatgrass can help with that. Want glowing skin and hair? Wheatgrass can help with that too. It's all about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, and wheatgrass delivers those tools in abundance. Alright, let's talk about antioxidants. These guys are like the superheroes of the cellular world, fighting off those nasty villains known as free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. They're kind of like those little gremlins that mess things up if you let them. But fear not, because wheatgrass is here to save the day. It's packed with antioxidants like chlorophyll and flavonoids that neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells from harm. Think of it like this: antioxidants are like the cleanup crew for your body, keeping things tidy and running smoothly. Now, why is it so important to fight off free radicals? Well, these troublemakers have been linked to some serious health problems. We're talking about heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and even premature aging. No thanks. By including antioxidant-rich foods like wheatgrass in your diet, you're essentially giving your body an extra layer of protection against these chronic diseases. It's like investing in your long-term health, and who doesn't want to do that? Alright guys, let's talk detox. We hear it everywhere, right? But what does it actually mean to detoxify your body? It's about getting rid of harmful toxins we're exposed to every day. Think pollution, processed foods, you name it. Our bodies filter this stuff out naturally, but sometimes they need help. That's where wheatgrass comes in. It's like a superfood superhero with a cape made of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps plants absorb energy from the sun and does wonders for us too. It acts like a natural chelator, binding to toxins and flushing them out. Think of it like a magnet collecting all the junk you don't want in your body. Chlorophyll is also a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for your health. Let's focus on 2 key organs for detox: your liver and colon. Your liver filters your blood, removing toxins, but when overloaded, it can't function at its best. Wheatgrass supports your liver's detox process. Think of it as a spa day for your liver. It helps improve blood flow, making your liver more efficient. A happy liver means a healthier you. Your colon eliminates waste from your body. Some use wheatgrass for colon cleansing to improve digestive health. A healthy colon is essential for well-being. Try wheatgrass for natural detox support. It's like a spring cleaning for your insides. Let's be real. Nobody enjoys dealing with digestive issues. Indigestion, bloating, constipation, they're the worst. But what if I told you that adding a shot of wheatgrass to your routine could help get things moving and grooving in your gut? Wheatgrass is packed with digestive enzymes, which are like little helpers that break down food and make it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Think of them as the cleanup crew of your digestive system, making sure everything runs smoothly. One enzyme in particular, amylase, helps break down carbohydrates, while protease tackles proteins. These enzymes can be especially helpful if you struggle with indigestion or experience that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. And let's not forget about fiber. Wheatgrass is a good source of fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and helps keep things moving along your digestive tract. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to regularity. But the benefits of wheatgrass for digestion go beyond just relieving discomfort. By promoting a healthy gut environment, it can actually have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Remember, your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. And a healthy balance of these bacteria is crucial for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even your mood. Wheatgrass may help support the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to a happier and healthier digestive system. And a happy gut means a happier you, right? So if you're looking to give your digestive system a natural boost, consider adding wheatgrass to your routine. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your gut health and improve your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about your body's defense system, your immune system. It's like your own personal army, fighting off those nasty invaders we call bacteria and viruses. And guess what? Wheatgrass can give your immune system a serious power-up. We're talking about vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants working together like a well-coordinated team. These nutrients are essential for building a strong immune response. They help your body identify and eliminate threats before they can take hold and make you sick. Think of it like this. Imagine your immune cells are like soldiers guarding a fortress. Wheatgrass is like giving them top-notch armor, weapons, and training, making them virtually unstoppable against any enemy that dares to approach. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, adding wheatgrass to your routine could be a game changer. It's like giving your body's defense force a well-deserved upgrade. Now, inflammation is a natural process, like your body's way of signaling that something's up. But sometimes inflammation can stick around longer than it's welcome, leading to discomfort and even chronic health issues. That's where wheatgrass comes in with its anti-inflammatory superpowers. It helps calm down those overactive immune responses, reducing unnecessary inflammation throughout your body. This can be especially helpful for managing conditions like arthritis, which often involve painful joint inflammation. By reducing inflammation, wheatgrass helps create a more balanced internal environment, allowing your body to function optimally. It's like giving your system a soothing balm, easing those aches and promoting overall well-being. So, if you're dealing with inflammation, whether it's occasional or chronic, consider giving wheatgrass a try. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties could provide much-needed relief and support your body's natural healing processes. Let's be real, managing weight can be a challenge. It's all about finding that balance between nourishing your body and not overdoing it on the calorie front, and that's where wheatgrass can become your new best friend. You see, wheatgrass is incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning it packs a powerful nutritional punch for a relatively low calorie count. It's like getting a VIP pass to a vitamin and mineral buffet without the calorie overload. When you nourish your body with the essential nutrients it needs, you're less likely to experience those pesky cravings for unhealthy snacks and sugary treats. Wheatgrass helps satisfy your body's nutritional needs, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the urge to overeat. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight management goals, incorporating wheatgrass into your diet could be a game changer. We've all been there, feeling sluggish and drained, reaching for that extra cup of coffee just to get through the day. But what if I told you that wheatgrass could provide a natural energy boost without the jitters or crashes? Wheatgrass is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that support your body's natural energy production. It's like giving your cells a revitalizing power nap, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. And let's not forget about chlorophyll, the pigment that gives wheatgrass its vibrant green color. Chlorophyll is like nature's energy drink, helping your body convert sunlight into usable energy. It's like giving your cells a little taste of sunshine, boosting your vitality from the inside out. So, if you're tired of feeling tired and want to power through your day with natural energy, give wheatgrass a try. It's like a breath of fresh air for your cells, supporting your active lifestyle and keeping you feeling your best. So there you have it, folks. Wheatgrass is a powerhouse of nutrients with tons of health benefits. We're talking about boosting your immunity, aiding in weight loss, detoxifying your body, and so much more. It's like having a mini health food store packed into a single shot. But remember, just like with any new health regimen, it's always a good idea to start slow and see how your body reacts. Begin with a small amount of wheatgrass and gradually increase your intake as you feel comfortable. And of course, if you have any underlying health conditions, It's always best to chat with your doctor before adding something new to your routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.